hello. I didn't see you there. This week we're going to take stock. Vegetable stock. You know, when most people think of vegetable stock, they imagine a light brown, flavorless liquid, like office coffee. But it doesn't have to be that way. A rich, flavorful stock is the perfect base for a variety of different dishes. Sometimes it's even good on its own. But how do we get a flavorful stock? Let's head to the kitchen and find out. We'll need onions, celery, and red bell pepper. Cajuns call this the Holy Trinity. Add that to hot oil in a pan. Then, throw in spices like garlic, bay leaf, or whatever you want. Add mushrooms. I used shiitake and portobello, roughly chopped. Maybe other vegetable scraps like broccoli stems. A heap of salt. Then deglaze with wine to release the flavor. Add 3 liters of water. Bring to a boil, reduce the heat, cover, and simmer. Once it tastes rich, strain, and use immediately or save it for later. Well, hopefully this episode gave you some good ideas. Until next time, I'm Charles. Thanks for watching. Oh.